friends, Running Kimono here, and we have a cheap stock up price on the Scott's toilet paper and paper towel. If you've learned anything from 2020, this stuff is worth its weight in gold when we can get it at such a rock bottom price. So you can do this deal either curbside or in-store. In-store, you're going to get back a $10 register reward. And then curbside, you're going to get $10 back in Walgreens cash. Now, a lot of us have been having a lot of issues with these register rewards printing, not printing, causing a fire at checkout, whatever it is. So I would recommend to do this as a curbside deal because it's so much easier. Now, bottom line here is you need a minimum of $35 to get your $10 back in Walgreens cash. So if they start to augment your deal or they send you that message of doom saying, we have to replace some of your stuff or cancel some items in your thing, that's fine. Cancel your transaction. Just don't go pick it up or call the store and cancel because you need at least $35 of Scott to make it rock and roll, and depending what your booster is as well. So you have those options. If you also can't put, like, say, 5 units or 6 units of certain paper towel or toilet paper in your basket, it's probably because at your store location they only have like maybe 2 units or 3 units. So you might have to like find the perfect store to make this deal work. Okay, so on Sunday we got these 2 digital coupons. That's $1 off the paper towel and $1 off the toilet paper. So make sure you have both of them loaded for the dealio. And if you peek over on your ShopMeum account, there's $1 back for each. And yes, you can use it over at Walgreens. And I think last week, all the Rite Aid clearance that was popping off, boom, boom, boom. I made like $25 on ShopMeum. Don't sleep on this app. It's just really fantastic, and I love it. And because we are needing a receipt for ShopMeum, you're going to have to ask the cashier to process your transaction at a regular register. If they use that handheld for a curbside pickup, you will not get a receipt, and you need a receipt for ShopMeum. So please make sure you understand what I just said. You need that physical receipt for this rebate app because it's an extra $2 back. Deal number 1, and we're doing this one curbside, the box on the left-hand side with the red check. We're ordering this through the Walgreens app and then driving to the store and picking it up. Make sure you have this guy loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend 40. We're going to look at this booster for the first transaction, and then the second one, I think it's like 7 back when you spend like 35. Okay, so have this guy loaded. The promotion for the Scott is buy one, get one 50% off. $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend 35. There was a coupon code last week, but it is no longer valid, just to note that. So we are going to put 6 of these paper towels in a basket. And I know that at my specific store, this was like out of stock for like the last 2-3 weeks. So the first week of this promotion, you couldn't find any. I think somebody cleared the store and now it's finally back in stock. So a little something for me. And then 5 of these toilet papers. So that for me with the $40 booster is a transaction of $40 of paper products. And if you want to just get more toilet paper than paper towel, by all means, I'm just showing you an example. WAG 10 and Clean 15 would not apply. The only thing that applied was $2 digital coupons. But hey, I guess it's better than a kick in the pants. To show you the overall basket, it's $42.50 for the 11 products. Curbside pickup is free. Tax. Ugh. And then $2 in the $2 digital coupons melting off. So with my debit card, I'm paying $43.05. I know that's a little bit, but it gets pretty good here. You're getting back $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for spending 35 on Kimberly-Clark products, and your booster of spend 40, get back 10. So that's like 50% back right there. Now, if you also factor in, you're going to get your receipt, take a quick snap to the ShopMeum app. As you only used 2 digital coupons on 2 items in the basket, you could still qualify for that. So you have to ask the cashier very nicely, say, hey, could you process this through a regular register as I need a receipt? It should be no problems, no issues. And it shakes these out, not including my tax, because every state the tax is a little bit different. It's $1.68 per 12 pack of toilet paper or these new 4 packs of the paper towel. If you are very generous with family and friends, or you gift a lot of this stuff, or you want to build your stockpile so when something hits the fan, you're ready for it, this is the deal to do. Okay, so the next dealio that we're going to look at is a 7 back when you spend 30 or a 7 back when you spend 35, depending what booster you got. So you either got the 10 back when you spend 40 or this one. Hopefully you got one of them, and hopefully Walgreens is showing you a bit of love with these digital boosters. I know that not everybody gets them, but the more that you spend, the more that you get. It's been my experience over there. So this one, we're getting a smaller basket. We're going to throw in 10 of these Scott products into a basket for $37.50. If you want to get all paper towel or if you want to mix and match, go for it. Make sure you have your booster loaded. I have a 7 back when you spend 30, and the $2 digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. The $1 for the paper towel and the $1 for the toilet paper. So you need exactly one of each to get the 2 digitals off, and then for Shopmium as well. So you're going to have to grab at least 2 of each. So hopefully you don't hate that paper towel too much. So with your debit card, pay $35.50, and then you're getting back $17 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the promotion of spend 35, get back 10, and then 7 back when you spend 30 for that booster. Get your receipt so you can photograph it to Shopmium. And so it makes it $16.50 for the 10 products, or $1.65 per unit, which is amazing. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash, as the promotion for Kimberly Clark is to spend an amount to get that $10 register reward, or $10 in Walgreens cash, and the booster of spend 30, get back 7. And the same goes for the spend 40, get back 10 for the slide previous. Do not use any Walgreens cash. And if you're doing this in store, don't use any store register rewards. But stock up, guys. These are fire prices for paper products. By chance, if you really love curbside shopping, and I know a lot of you love to shop from the comforts of your home, or you just do not have the time to get out to the store, I made a $10 or less video yesterday where it was like deals $10 and less, except for the razor one. It's a $20 basket, but just very simple, easy deals. If you missed the video yesterday, I'll link it at the very end. And I'm still finding those $1.99 cascades, and some stores are actually giving me different ones because they're like, we just ran out, here's a different one. And the ones I'm getting are pretty good too. So I'm loving this 75% off cascade clearance. But watch the video at the end if you missed it yesterday. Okay, the last piece of news is this rebate with IBOTTA, or if you use the Dollar General cashback, it is gone. And it was there for the longest time, and they vanished it this morning. I have a theory on this. Dollar General's candy went 50% off today. So these bags of jelly beans would have been 68 cents with this rebate, and they snatched it away. So if you were like, going to go and look for some candy, I'm sorry to do this, guys, but it is a goner. And most stores had a ton of jelly beans left. They're $1.68 this morning, and it would have been really sweet with that IBOTTA rebate, but the IBOTTA rebate is gone. So just throw that in your back pocket, and apologies in advance about that, guys. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.